Bootstrap collapse plugin. See, Bootstrap collapse plugin means what happens, I will tell you. I will go to the first example. What happens, in the collapse plugin? I will write one H1 tag, sir, H1 tag. So I am telling this is heading tag. I gave like this. Okay, sir. So definitely this is heading tag only will come. No doubt. Now what I will do for this H1 tag, I am declaring one ID. ID name is known as my ID. I declare one ID here. So now what is my next scenario? I want to take collapse plugin. Collapse plugin means I want to take button. Button I have taken, and button is nothing but toggle button, sir. What button? Toggle button. So to make it properly good, I will take button primary. Button primary. Now you can see here, refresh. There is a one button is coming. And remember, this code always write inside the container. So I'm writing the inside the container so that it should look nice. It should look nice. And I will set from top, it has to move how much? 5 spacer. Toggle. So what is my requirement is if I click, it has to go. It has to go, sir. So what we need to do, for that reason, we need to add for what button? Data bootstrap toggle collapse. So whenever if you do this, it will, if you click, it will hide. Click, it will hide. If you click, it will show. But sir, it is not connecting now. If I click, it is hiding. No. Why? Because there is no connection. So what we need to do to provide the connection, we need to use data bootstrap target. Who is my target? What's the name of your ID? My ID. Hash my ID. Save this. Refresh. Click, 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 click. But see the first time, refresh. See the first time. Click. Is it going? No. So I want first time it has to not visible to anybody. First time it should not visible. So what I will take? Collapse. First time should not be visible. Refresh. Click, 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 click. This is how we can work with what plugin? Collapse plugin. Collapse plugin we can do like this. Example 2. Sir, suppose if you don't have button here, if we have anchor tag, that time what will you do? Ahref. Assume that I have an anchor tag. What's the name of this one? Toggle. That time what we should do? Here we need to take common thing only. Data, bootstrap, toggle. What I should take here? Collapse. But don't take data bootstrap target. In case of data bootstrap target, we need to give to href. What I should give? Hash my ID. For href, we need to give. So save this. Again, you do refresh. Click, click. This is for hyperlink. For button, we need to take what here? Data bootstrap target. For anchor tag, we need to take what here? Href. Href we need to take. I hope you people got an idea how we are working with what here? This one. Now I will go to the example 3. Understood now? Collapse plugin. So now I will give you Bootstrap collapse plugin with what? Cards I want to give you. So cards means what we need to do, I will tell you. First, let me go for design. What is my design here? So design is nothing but I want to do like this. So this is card. and I want to take card header. In this card header, I will take toggle button. So let me say, I will take which button? Toggle button I will take in the card. And there are 3 images I will take here. One image, second image, and third image. How many images? 3. If I click, it has to hide. If I click, it has to store the images. So we have card header, we have a card body. Understood my point here? So now what I'm going to give you today, I will give you this design first. First of all, I need to declare a card. Div class. What is the class name? Card. I gave the card. And I told we require 2 things, header, body. So let's say div class, card, header. And one more I will say div class, card, body. This is what we have. Now, if you see properly, in card header, when it comes to card header, in this card header, we need to create one button. Which button? Toggle button. Just now we created now using collapse plugin. So see this how to create button, closing of button. Which one? Toggle. How many things we should write? First class, btn, outline primary. I am giving outline primary button. Tell me what I should give. Data, bootstrap, toggle. What I need to write? Collapse. And again we need to take what? Data, bootstrap, target. What's the target name? My ID. D capital letter. Sorry, I capital letter. So this data bootstrap target ID I want to give to body, sir. Body. ID is equal to my ID. Because if I click, body should go. Body should not visible. So that is the reason. Okay, we'll see later. Here we have taken ID we have taken for body. Tell me inside body we need to take how many columns? 3 columns. Each column one image now. So that's why I'm taking div class what? Row. And I need what here? 3 columns. Div class column what here? 4. 1 column. Second column, third column. And every column we need to take what? Image. Every column we need to take image. Image src images / rock.jpg. I will say class width 100, height 100, self close. So total how many images? 3 images. 2, 3. Finish. Over, game over, sir. Refresh. But tell me, first time body is visible or not visible? But it should not visible, na, sir. So that is the reason I will say body. What I'm telling? Collapse. A body, you collapse. I don't want to see you, body. I don't want to see you. Yes. And see the speciality. Click, 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 click. So now you got an idea. We are working with card. We are using grid. We are using collapse. So like this, we can use Bootstrap collapse plugin with the card. So this is what is sample design. As I told you, I will give you along with what here? Bootstrap collapse plugin with cards.